Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungijoyile, ungakhohlwa ke okubalekile ukuthi usubscribe, like ke videos, share ke i-video into ezinjalo ke supporter. Siyabonga kakhulu kulaba supporter nalabo abangaskip ama adverts, sanibonga bafethu. Kubaleka kakhulu kuthina, siyabonga kakhulu. Now asikhulumeni ngodaba ke lukaChidimma. Siyabona ke laphana uChidimma uyatrenda yana kulezi insuku njengoba ke omafezi isikhuluma ke ngomazisi bakhe ke yena nommawakhe ukuthi ngathi kuthiwa bazothathwa ke mntakabawo ngoba udade phela wabathola ngendlela mhlambe engafanele. Siyazi udaba lukaChidimma, you guys, trenda senzile nama-video, sazisenza nama-video kazi. uChidimma ke usho ukuthi le ntombazana izala ngabazali, omunye ngumozambican, omunye umnigerian. I think kuchuthi mhlambe uzalele eNigeria wasefika South Africa mhlambe emncane wazokhulela ngase South Africa wasiyathola ke i-ID la South Africa. Ukuthi wayithola kanjani sazi ke mntakaba ukuthi wabayithola ngendlela engalungile yena nommawakhe. Into ezikanjalo nje ugelo wasesuka ke wajoyina ke i-competition the Miss South African competition okuyikhona kokwadala inkinga ke udade ever since wa investigator ke ngoba ke negama lakhe belisho nje ukuthi kodwa ke lo muntu akuyena waseMzansi Africa baseqala ukubalabala abantu ukuthi kanjani uChidimma unwe adechina izwakala ngathi leyo nto iso Nigerian, so foreign bafethu bakhuluma abantu usisi engakaphumi ku-competition. Kwakhulunywa ke kwakuningi, waqala ke uphenywa ke uChidimma wagcina naye laphana eseshiya i-competition. Ama-Nigeria agcina ethi sisi iza ngapha ekhaya ngathi uthwele nzima ngapha, woza ngapha ekhaya uzojoyina sina i-competition eqhubekayo, iza ngapha ngoba sabona kuna uChidimma esese-Nigeria ke esejoyine the Miss Universe Nigeria and ezikanjalo, of which wayiwina ke leyo competition. Kuthiwa ke uzobe compete nalabo Miss South Africa lana khona le ngase Mexico, something like that bafethu. Kodwa kuthiwa ke ngendlela athola ngakhona kumaziswa ke that is crime. Ba investigator yena nommawakhe ukuthi kanti ummawakhe wambhalisa kanjani lana eSouth Africa. Siyazi ukuthi umuntu uyayithola citizenship kodwa ke mhlambe bona bayenza ngendlela wrong. Angazi kunodaba ke lapha lubhale uNonkululeko Nhlapho kaSolezwe bethi kuzohoxiswa komazisi bakaChidimma nokanina ke. So ke udaba luthi umnyango wezasekhaya ubekele iParliament ukuthi uzohoxisa kumazisi wentokazi enguzime uChidimma onwe adechina nokanina wakhe uAnnabella Rungo. Ngokusho komnyango bobabili banikezwe ithuba lokuthi bachaze ukuthi kungani kungafanele ukuba bahoxiswe omazisi babo bathathwe njengabangekho emthethweni kodwa kuze kwashaya ke usuku olungonqamula juquke elwezimpendulo bengaphendulile. Lokho kuza ke ngemva kokuthi bethole benecala lenkohlakalo kuthiwa kumakaChidimma wantshuntsha umazisi omunye umuntu ukuze abhalise kuzala kwalentokazi emnyangweni wezasekhaya ke. Kwenzeka konke lokhu nje lentokazi iseMexico iyomela izwe likayise iNigeria ko Miss Universe. Already kanti sebese Mexico. Alright, so yeah man, you guys, bengilokhu ngimlandelele uChidimma. Ngizama ukubona ukuthi kwenzani le ngakuwe eNigeria. Ngabona ukuthi hayi ugirl ngathi yeah, it is happening for her, so good luck to you ntombazane. Mangabe izinto zimhambela kahle khona le kubo eNigeria. Uyise waseNigeria unina ngowase Mozambique. Lona daba lukaChidimma esinalo bafowethu. So ke kodwa umazisi wakhe ngathi ke umnyango uthi uzothatha kazimoja lana bebethi Home Affairs cancels Chidimma and her mother's IDs. This comes after the daughter and mother duo failed to give the department reasons why they should keep their South Africans ID. Kushuta abanga nendaba mhlamba ukuthi phela baphendule benze okufanele njengoba bekushiwo. So angazi now kuthiwa ke omafezi ke you guys they've confirmed that it will cancel the identities to travel documents, ama passports of former Miss South Africa contestant Chidimma and her mom. The department said they also handed the matter over to the Hawks for completing investigations. omafezi General Director Utomi Makode confirmed to the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee that the mother and daughter duo failed to respond to Monday's deadline to make representations as to why they should keep their South African national documents. Makode added that the duo is also facing probable fraud charges. Officials visited that house that is registered by Chidimma to track down her mother. The department has also completed AMA investigations and handed it over to AMA Hawks. Now, umakhote at the portfolio committee that as the department they believe that the mother is still in here in South Africa. We can't explain how Adetshina's mother have traveled to Nigeria last month ukuthi ubehambile eNigeria bakaChidimma ukuyosupport indodakazi yakhe, but they do not know how. Mhlawumbe unazo incwadi zaseMozambique kwazi bani bafethu, omunye umuntu phela ukuthi ungwale kodwa unazezanga, mhlawumbe uhambe ngezaseMozambique wangabonakala. How do they know ukuthi she went there? Angazi nami, but they can't explain how Adetshina's mother may have traveled to Nigeria last month to support her daughter at Miss Universe Nigeria pageant, which she won, adding that the department also believes that the mother left the country during investigations. Now, ayikuningi bafethu, so bayaphenywa kuChidimma nommawakhe bafethu. Ongangukuthi ezabe incwadi ke zala eMzansi zizokhanselwa o mhlambe sezikhanseliwe into kanjalo ukuthi hayi basithole ngendlela engalungile, ngcono ke zithathwe. uChidimma ngiyacabanga ukuthi la khona eNigeria usephethe zaseNigeria mntakabawo obviously. So kuningi bafethu, kuningi shem, but anyways, thank you so much ukuthi ubuke le video. Abathathe lezo ncwadi aqhubeke ngezaseNigeria, unina naye aqhubeke ngezaseMozambique mangabe unazo. Icala leke le fraud, the fraud case lokho ngabe kuchaza ukuthi uChidimma ngeke sanyathele eMzansi ngoba ngiyanyathela usene fraud case mntakabawo, angazi, ngiyazibuzela nje ngoba ngazi ukuthi umthetho usebenza kanje. Kusho ukuthi usene fraud case ke yena nommawakhe babonakala nje bayaboshwa ngoba licala libomvu ke lelo mntakabawo. So kunzima. Like i video, subscribe, ushare bese siyabonana kwenye landelayo. Bye.